How can a minister of state keep this kind of money in your house? For what so? Hey, Ghana. Cecilia Dapaah Tiama Kede. Hey, Abruso. It's here for more about YouTube. Have a fancy YouTube. Na sentia mama can show. Asambia West Ghana na asamene ye wanwa. Akaya da obi a odi counterfeit akotori. Na ri a wadi man no ye low grade na wasana akaya complain with police station. Yeah, criminals. Yes. Na asama what the Chronicle you mean then. $1 million, 300,000 euros and millions of cedis stolen from Cecilia Dapaah's home. Na senyim Cecilia Dapaah, Mami Cecilia Dapaah no yi, oye sanitation minister. Cheda Ghana na hotun yi na rojina no do. Enda obakara Ghana aye figana aye basa Ghana aye de ni no jina no do. Se wadi sika baba ma wadi aye omani mu cleaner. We should ask this woman. She is in charge and control. Na asama wa benye de. Odine house help. Eke jina asem dibia court. The way ni sika $1 million 300,000 euros. And there's some millions of cities. I know a friend or pay. Now, some uncle bisa was social media in the Nama Miss Cecilia Dapaah way bank wonifia na. How on earth can you keep $1 million in your house? Na waranka sere dwumare ya no bosomo so a wotwa wokawa hen na so ye even ministry ni sika anya bia minister wo fie ina keep the miskara ante Ghana betcha na bra boy enyim de abobre ni bi bet zeya o metumi keep $1 million in some euros and cedis in your house. And you need to explain to Ghanaians. We enya balls it's our house help. It's in a kejina court. The one for nintumin. The mokwana no said the Ghana so why yem pensem worship. Now what's all shed the same corner because guy man no go feed guy man. Politicians yet to chroma ha. What's yet to see casson so comments yan and then a way boy do my yen. How can a minister of state keep this kind of money in your house? For what so? Was he an Amana Ghana? Now this money alone, the number of salaries so but to me chia in yamo but to my Ghana. Yan tumum bodzin. A lot of problems, a lot of stuff's going on in this country. Hardship. Now, so sanitation minister put our $1 million good for you. On your finance minister. Esim pony na araba. Sanitation minister our $1 million and some euros and cedis when if ye. On your finance minister. Esim pony na araba. Inti Ghana for your sampa wama ya adwana nda wani ye hude wana wadi ye nyimun. Nya sumbi na wabera wabasum nya wabera wabetete nya na wezi ye dwete yeska na wape wo baby wafa. Nyankopon ayi wo tu. Wada atamana Nyankopon apa wo hotam. Ona sisiare we hu ye o. Na sanko bi a wodi sumaze gwede no bi ya wodama. Enka wanu ntum. Edo kokot. Also, you have to court. Oman Ghana. The man say me say what's now? Moi am kwasi semi your fucking things and a chere. We as a nation, we deserve it. Oba besia ya santo $1 million mama Cecilia Dapaah bay. Abay. Sisi o sisi abay. Hey zinari ya show. Aba. Na betrimazin nyama. You see, wabakado wadane kama yoko anade special prosecutor. Wabayan poro para ya onkesi she. Onkesi she. Politics na wade ba NDC fu waba wade ba kaka. MPP fu so wade kaka. Ina we adam na onkesi she. So you no kwai there. Sikari wo ho my house help ni to confirm the way we the miskana. Get no moment one jan na mo minister of state na one twini mu da twombo. Na ya ododo. Ya adwuma ma bet ya taxes bebre. Mu ya na ma boa no. O ya wase o ya kaje bo se IMF. No shawutu pokun pofo. Enyim gwasa kwa abo ya nom. Muna motwan. O man obey ye. Sorry nye ye. Ojine he na raye no do. Ojina ye ndo. Kama me fefe what them. Nyim ye otseda wo. I was in a day. One find a headline there. Stolen. Kwara fadunya de miskan. Mami o de che o man Ghana. No far by wherever nya da me dread 10 da me $1 million in a 300,000 euros na ho keka ho no ya sefem ebe oya was a ones na according to mom ones na according from no man onye wan koten won man bie bibinyin wan koten we busua na wonye ye ya man koten na sebi muzizo ye ya Omana no kwa huchimu na wankuti o show kotokumpufu o show sunza ase na wala $1 million emimiti na wasisi obi ma even $20,000 da mfanda am donye ye etu menye $1 million da esar imbopu na ona ma me wo boyaz on papa e nerves wo kukudru area so adi nyipa ko police station enye no courts Family come inspector. Asem we dia suchin me o. Akeda ba machi de na nyom na. Asamboni say here ni. Ofa come inspector. My obani asama me. Ana house help wasama no. It's for me want to be see a higher fancy YouTube. Mamu hu adwen share what you think about this news. Isha some papa ofa to man Ghana. Chawadwen na yanko maka one we from the park or to the rich the fancy YouTuber. Vroom. Yako. Bye bye.